Welcome to Marigold Lesson, Little Fish Story. In this session we shall do some more exercises from the textbook. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. The example given is look and looked. Look means see. Looked means he saw things which happened a while ago, in the past. Such words are called past participle. They are formed usually by adding -ed to the word. Why don't you try giving the past participle, the word that indicates what happened in the past, for the rest of the words?
Past participle of pick is picked. I picked the book from your house yesterday. Past participle of bark is barked. The dog barked so loud, I was unable to hear anything. Past participle of want is wanted. I wanted a pencil yesterday. Now there is no need. Past participle of talk is talked. He talked about Mahatma Gandhi in a speech yesterday.
Past participle of wish is wished. I wished him all the luck for his exams. Past participle of pull is pulled. I pulled her out of the muddy swamp yesterday. Past participle of help is helped. She helped me to do the homework.
Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. Note, in English, there are special words used for certain groups of objects.
A glass of water. A box of matches. A sheet of paper.
A bunch of flowers. A herd of cows. A pack of wolves.
Observe how a group of cows is called a herd, while group of wolves are called a pack. Look at the following sentence. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. Make more sentences like this using the words in the box.
Oh Mr. Whiz, this is easy. If I were only thinner, how much happier I could be. If I were only taller, how much happier I could be. If I were only cleverer, how much happier I could be.
If I were only smaller, how much happier I could be. If I were only younger, how much happier I could be. If I were only older, how much happier I could be. Each sentence tells something about me and conveys a different meaning.
That's right, these are different attributes you can have. Words which describe an object in detail are called adjectives. Say aloud the following words.
Blunder. Wonder. Thunder. Plunder. And flounder.
Read the following short poem and answer the questions.
Singing or crying? Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Why are you crying, Mahesh? He asks. Mahesh says, I am not crying. I'm singing an English song.
Choose the right words.
Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is crying. Mahesh is singing a song. The song is in English.
Excellent. With this we have come to the end of the lesson, A Little Fish Story.